Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 2. The question says we should use the same instruction that says we should look out for the word among the list of options provided that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word, and particularly the underlying letter. And the underlying letter here is IT. So this word is pronounced as death. Let me transcribe it so that it will help us. Death. Death. So we're looking out for the word that has this particular vowel sound. Option A is pronounced as pet. Pet. Option B is pronounced as wet. Not what. Wet. Wet. This is sin theta here. Option C is pronounced as sword. 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 Long or sound. Sword. Then option D is pronounced as deed. Long A sound. Deed. So by this transcription, the only word that has the same vowel sound as in the given word is option B, which is wet. Wet. Therefore, option B is correct because it has the sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.